everyone. I hope you are being safe and that you are healthy, and I hope all is well with you. On today, I'm sharing with you a spring refresh of my office. There have been quite a few changes, and I am so excited to share them with you on today. And thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to hit that notification button along with the bell so that you will see all of that I have in store for you. If you've been following me, when I originally did my office, I had different artwork. Here I have artwork from HomeSense and decor from Z Gallery. The floral arrangements, I did them myself. And as you can see here, I have a second desk. This desk belonged to my daughter, actually. She is a makeup artist and she decided that she did not want it any longer. So I grabbed it up. Yes, I did. And so I'm so happy that I did, because it's a beautiful desk and it's added storage and added space for me. I put my original desk up against the wall, which you will see later in the video. And so the top of the desk is actually wood and glass, and in between the wood and the glass is space where you can put your books, your pictures, many other items that you desire. I keep it blank. I only use it when I am studying, for my classes. And here we are with the Alex unit. And as you can see, we have plenty of drawers, and I plan on using it for storage. And here you can see my original desk up against the wall. This is so convenient for me. I can actually go from the original desk to the new desk just by changing or turning my chair around. And I also purchased a Mac computer, which has been working so well for me. And here we have my vision board. I purchased that from Home Goods as well. And as you can see, I relocated my file cabinet to this side of the room. And here we have a Brother copier. Have not yet hooked it up, but hope to do so soon. And on the side of the file cabinet, I have a Royal paper shredder, silver color, and I also purchased that from HSN. And I think the favorite part of my room is this CD. There's a story behind this CD. I actually ordered this for my office and it came damaged, and so I purchased it from Wayfair. And what they did was they sent me another one, which I have used in my guest room. If you have not seen that yet, go check it out. All right. And so they allowed me to keep the second one, and so I'm using it now in my guest room, and I have one here in my office. This beautiful lady was given to me from a beautiful lady. Thank you so much, Diane. The items on this table, not sure if I'm going to keep them there because they don't really go with the theme of my room, but here I have a basket with some of my blankets, and thought I would take some pictures out just to remind me of, some of our good times together. These are pictures of myself and my husband. This cabinet has held up so well. I'm so glad that I restored it and kept it. It's great for storage, and so I'm glad I kept it. And here we have boxes from IKEA. The bottom two are large boxes with handles, and the top two are boxes with labels so that you can label. I plan to use them for storage. I kept the curtains that I've had from the original video. I just think that they're really elegant, and they are just really pretty. And so we're just going to do an overall look of the office. And I also forgot to mention that the florals I purchased from AC Moore, which was going out of business, as well as Pier 1. This is a picture of my great-grandmother and myself on my wedding day. And just for you to know, for some of you that don't know my first name is Tanya. I know that my YouTube name is Designed to a T, but the T stands for Tanya.